I tried KleverChain wallet app for 7 days. Here is the shocking truth. When I downloaded the KleverChain wallet app, I expected a basic crypto wallet like the rest. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that KleverChain isn't just another wallet, it's a complete blockchain ecosystem packed into your phone. On day 1, setup was smooth. You can create a wallet in seconds without sharing personal data, which is a big win for privacy. Right away, I noticed how fast transactions were, no delays, no network congestion. That's because KleverChain runs on its own blockchain, not just Ethereum or Bitcoin. By day 3, I explored its multi-asset support. KleverChain lets you store, send and stake hundreds of cryptocurrencies. The interface is clean, colorful, and easy to navigate. But what caught my attention most was the Clever Earn feature. You can stake tokens and earn daily rewards directly in the app, no complicated fee setups or third-party links. On day 5, I tested their in-app browser, which connects to decentralized apps and exchanges safely. I even swapped tokens inside the wallet, and the gas fees were incredibly low, often just a fraction of what I'd pay on Ethereum. By day 7, the shocking truth was clear. KleverChain wallet delivers a rare combo: true decentralization with simplicity. Most wallets make you choose between control and convenience, but Clever manages to give you both. Of course, there are areas for improvement. The app can feel heavy on older devices, and some smaller tokens aren't supported yet. But overall, KleverChain surprised me with its speed, flexibility, and focus on user empowerment. If you want a wallet that's fast, secure, and future-ready, KleverChain wallet might be one of the smartest choices you can make in crypto.